Welcome to the Life Curation Podcast. I'm your host, Andrina Tisi. Together, we will explore thoughts, inspirations, and conversations that feed our soul, spark the mind, and nourish the body. Thank you so much for being here to learn and grow, and for walking this journey called life with me. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Life Curation Podcast. I'm really happy you're here for this final episode of 2021. What a year. And before I continue, I just want to give you the heads up. If you hear some strange and unusual background noise, it's probably because I'm doing this from Zanzibar. So if you hear some tropical noises, that's what it is. So today I would like to invite you to a little journaling practice, journey, however you would like to call it. So before we dive into the journaling, make sure you will not be disturbed. Make sure you're comfortable and that you can comfortably write. Maybe light a candle, have a comforting tea with you, whatever you need. And of course, have a pen and a journal or a paper with you. And we will do a blind stream of consciousness writing. This allows us to tap even deeper into our intuition and let it speak to us. And over the past few weeks, I've done this personally quite a bit, and I'm astonished what comes. So I would like for you to experience that as well. So by closing our eyes, we can turn our gaze more easily inwards. And you might feel insecure to not see what you write and self-conscious about not writing straight or on top of each other, but it really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to look pretty at all. It's more about the message that comes forth. So I will ask you questions and you write what comes. Some of your answers might be repeated, so they might repeat themselves, and that is totally fine. Trust what comes. Some prompts will be shorter and some will be longer, and very often it will be a sentence that I start and you finish it. Some might be questions that you answer. Just go with it, and also trust that if something comes that doesn't make sense to you at all, it's okay, just write it down anyway. So let's get started. Just have your pen and your journal or your paper close to you. You feel it, you feel the paper and the journal, you have your pen in your hand. And then close your eyes and start to tune into your breath. So just feeling how the breath moves in and out without influencing it. Just really noticing the inflow and the outflow. Feeling your seat. Feeling how you can ground yourself through your seat, whether you're sitting on the floor or on a chair. And just feel at the same time the lifting up and the reaching up to the ground, to the sky, to the universe and the cosmos. And just allow your eyelids to relax so that you can really turn that gaze inside, and taking a moment to connect to the third eye point, that point between the eyebrows, to acknowledge your intuition, that inner wisdom. And then we'll start writing. Right now, I'm grateful for this past year gifted me with For this, I'm really grateful for. I thank my body for. I thank my mind for. I thank my heart for. This limiting belief I'm willing to leave behind. I'm really grateful to have these people in my life. This past year was exciting because this past year was beautiful because I am really proud of myself for these moments were magical. I am really proud of myself for This year I learned this was challenging but turned out to be amazing. This made me grow. This I'm ready to leave behind. I am grateful for I am proud of And now take a deep breath and just sit for a moment to feel into all of this. Allow it all to be here. Lengthen your breath. Feel your seat and your crown and let the energy flow up and down. And then take another deeper inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. And now we're moving the energy and our intuition forward. So again, with your pen and paper, I am excited for this is how I want to feel. This I really want to do and experience. I am worried about. What could help me soften this worry? I am afraid of. What could help ease this fear? I am excited for. Physically in my body, I want to feel. Mentally, I want to feel. Emotionally, I want to feel. Physically, I am feeling. Mentally, I am feeling. Emotionally, I am. For what can I open my heart more? I am opening my heart for. This is something I have been putting off. What has held me back? What or who could support me? This I really want to do and experience. With these people I want to spend more time with. This coming year, I'm gifting myself even if I don't need it materialistically. This I really want to get for myself. I am really excited for. How can I support my loved ones? How can I support my community? If I would feel and experience this, I would be overjoyed. This coming year will be the year of and then take a deep inhale and an exhale through your mouth. Feeling into it all, just noticing, trusting that whatever came to you is deep within you. Whether you will read what you wrote again or not, it's all within you. And trust that through this exercise you brought it from the subconscious to the conscious. And then take another inhale and another exhale. And then imagine yourself 6 months from now. So if you're listening to this towards the end of the year, it's probably going to be around June. And then in front of your internal eye, look back at the last 6 months, January, February, the winter month. And then spring into March, April, May, and the beginning of summer, where you are right now in June. And then look back and with this amazement and this joy, you see all the amazing moments. You feel how you're feeling. You notice the sensation on a physical level. On a mental and emotional level. Maybe you see very clear images. Maybe not, and that's okay. You're so proud of how you're feeling and what you've experienced and accomplished. You're really grateful for what you've received and what you were able to share in these past 6 months. And then with your pen, just write down just anything that feels needed to put down on paper. And then we're going to go forward to a year from now. And if you look back to the year that you just experienced, what are you grateful for? What has the year gifted you with? And what are you super proud of? And then, whatever came up for you, write it down. And then one more time you take a deep, deep, deep inhale. And a full exhale. You can put the pen aside, the paper, the journal, and just take another moment to sit and breathe. And just let it sink deep. Give yourself time as long as you need here. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, but give yourself time. You can also lie down for a moment. Just be.